Most of our products at Balluff contain a lot of, so to say, invisible software, firmware. But many of our products also talk to the IT world. And as we are used in the IT world to update our cell phones or computers regularly, also industrial products more and more require updates. I'm a big fan of software as a service or cloud solutions because those providers have the leverage to hire the best people to provide that safety and security. We need a development environment that supports us and is not an obstacle. I think, therefore, with PTC Windchill, we're perfectly positioned to be fully digital, fully transparent, and at light speed. We see at Balluff the advantage of Windchill Plus that we have a software that is maintained and continuously developed by PTC, offering us always new ways and new solutions, being up to date with the trend, and something that we as a mid-sized company would not be able to do by ourselves. Balluff comes from a history of hosting all systems on-premise in the world headquarters in the center of the world, here in Germany. It made it very hard for our subsidiaries to access the system around the globe. We have manufacturing and engineering locations across the world. What is a strength for us to have a global network? The history of Balluff comes from a mechanical workshop to a high-tech company today that sells products that speak to the cloud, generate data, and are highly digital. Our internal processes have to go the same way. We need to get away from spreadsheets and different databases that are host of different data to a more structured, fully digitized way of keeping and storing product data, so we have a single point of truth. And this is the major benefit for me, that digitalization helps us to be more efficient but also more accurate, what is highly required in our business. The major benefit of Windchill Plus for us is that we have the freedom of not managing an IT system, but being able to adapt an application to our needs that will help us to have lean and efficient processes, and as well the benefit of having access to best-in-class templates and processes where we can say, hey, 95% work for us. We need that little tweak because that's maybe something that gives us a competitive advantage, and this is what Windchill Plus offers to us. The move to the Windchill Cloud now will force us to completely rethink how we engineer and how we develop, because the bandwidth of adaptation is limited. I see a tremendous boost in efficiency, but also in stability, that we don't have to invest too much time in integration tests when we need updates or things like that. This is all built in, this is taken care of, and we can focus on our core business, and that's engineering and selling products.